you have to remove the kothambari like this. So after this it comes that you have to remove, and remaining you have to put it outside because in the soil microorganisms is there. So worm, anything is there, snake also should be there. So it is produced in the garden. So it is very neat. So this you have to keep it for best out of this you can keep it. So this I am going to I am going to put it here to the best out of this to do this. So this you have to take it. Karipatha also you can take it, it is better. You have to wash it and keep it. So this tomorrow you have to use it. You have to turn that come and it is better. You have to keep it that side. This rice it is better. You have to close it. You have to keep it and then close the old cloth so that the floor doesn't get spoiled. इतनी मेहनत है ना तो तारा होगा पड़े कपड़ा को कटेंगे तो ज़मीन ख़राब नहीं हो जाते हैं, गर्म होके ख़राब नहीं होते हैं. कपड़ा ऊपर कहना पाहिजे तो उसमें होके ख़राब नहीं होते हैं. कारण स्पाइल ना बेरों वीणा बेरों ख़राब चलूँगा हीट ना वेपम उतना चूड़ गरम चलूँगा कपड़ा ना क्लोथ ना आड़ा स्क्रीन ना तेरा क्लोथ ना आड़ा कपड़ा. So it is better you have to turn it very slowly. So you have to pour one 25 you have to keep it 1 and 25 this 8 rupees 10 rupees you can sell also and earn money also. Those not getting the job also see my video how I am making this. I have told कच्चा चावल पका चावल डेढ़ ऐसा डाल के कच्चा ஒன்றரை வந்து பச்சை அரிசி அப்புறம் வந்து 1.5 புழுங்கரிசி போட்டு 3க்கு 1 பண்ணும். 1 उड़द दाल किसका रखने का उसको थोड़ा सोडा खाने की सोडा पुटे खाने के सोडा खाने की सोडा डाल सकते हैं तो इसमें डाल सकते हैं. ओके साइड में put it there. So that one more case over. That's a lesson. I have to take a little lesson. soon also. We have to take the to fry the coconut and you have to put it, so this must be washed. ಕಳುವನು ಬಿಸಿಯಾಗಿ to wash it and put it. ಅದನ್ನು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ದ to wash it. அப்படி திருக்கி போடணும். அப்படி திருக்கி போட்டால் சின்ன இலையாயிரும். தலையை திருக்கி போடணும். தலையை இது திறக்கலாம், தலையை திரிக்கிறாங்க. సో మూడికే కాదు ఇండి మూడికే వేస్తారు. కలకట్లో కూడా కొల చేయరన్న పావిగాడు ఇదే తిరిగి పోతే అదే కొల చేయరన్న మనిషిని కాదు. So 2 or 3 times, very rainy season, it is better you have to clean it 2 or 3 times. మళ్ళీ నేర 2-3 సార్లు కలవను. So now I have to be this side, I'm going to take it and I did remove it. It is coming, so it's very difficult to do the work this side. So you have to rotate along the side, then you have to side like this. Still it must be done, and it is a little brown color out irukkotam. So to make it yellow body.